What's up, everybody? We are back for another video at Olivia's home park, Kennywood. Yeah, West Mifflin, Pennsylvania, right outside of Pittsburgh. We're back to ride Steel Curtain. Hopefully, I just saw it go over the lift hill. Sounds like it's been operating, knock on wood, pretty consistently. We were here 4 years ago, 4 or 5 years ago. Was that before COVID? Maybe even longer. Yeah, geez, 2019, something like that. And of course, that was the season that Steel Curtain went down for the entire year. So we missed out on it then. I'll link that video down below. We were able to do everything else. We're excited to get back on the Phantom, of course, some of the classic Woodies. And
my favorite.
Yeah, it's 4 o'clock. We're trying to get an after 4 o'clock ticket, and a storm just came through. So hopefully the park is kind of dead, but let's go ahead and check it out.
Cash is not accepted for tickets, being free of charge. These cards can then be used in the
$35 dinner after 4 o'clock? It's not bad.
Half off.
Yeah, heading in here, let's go. Love Kennywood. We had an awesome time the last visit here. It should be pretty empty today. I'm hoping the rain cleared some folks out. It was raining really hard on our drive over here. Apparently they do have options for a fast pass. Looks like it works like Six Flags parks, but I don't think we'll need it today, so we're skipping. Steel freaking Curtain. Let's go. So psyched. It's not just a lawn ornament anymore. I think it's only on one train, so it might have a hell of a wait, but I've heard it's pretty good. Steel Curtain. Let's go. 25 minutes.
Drop the ride.
Oncoming riders, make sure you place your loose articles in the loose articles.
There's the whistle, Billy. The kick is up, and this one is underway. Here we go.
Alright, we just got 2 rides, or I did 2 rides. Olivia rode the first time with me on Steel Curtain. It's awesome. I don't know if it was worth the 6-year wait or however long we waited to ride it, but we rode it towards the back row 10 first, and then I just got off the front row. It's great. The restraint setup's good, train's really comfy. Obviously it's tall as hell and ridiculous amount of inversions, but it's a smooth ride. Some unexpected air time in there. You like it?
Yeah, I liked it. It's a little bit shaky, but
a little bit, yeah.
And then the lift hill is really slow, but other than that,
slow and loud.
It's just a really cool ride in such a small space.
Yeah, only 1 train. I don't know if they ever have 2 trains running on this one, so probably a lengthier wait. Just anticipate that, but I think we waited 30 minutes the first time and maybe 20 minutes that last time for the front row, so not too bad. It's kind of dead in here, but it was a great ride. I don't think it's better than Phantom, unfortunately, but it's a lot of fun. Let's get on the Jackrabbit. This one's a classic. All right, just got off the Jackrabbit. For how old that coaster is, it's really remarkable how smooth it is. It's a little jackhammery in the valleys, but I was on a wheel seat even, and it really wasn't bad at all. It's kind of just like a one-trick pony with that double down, but that's worth it for the weight itself. It's ejector, similar to like Phoenix at Knoebels, basically. That's kind of really all it's got going for it, and the fact that it's so historic, but yeah, it's good. About to take a ride on the old mill. I remember this one being kind of weird the last time we were here, but it's a walk-on, so why not? Whoa. Yeah, he lost his body. He's got his boots though. And there's that thing. All right, Skyrocket is next. All right, we just got off the very strange old mill, which used to be like Charlie, was it? No, not Charlie Brown. Garfield when you were younger? Nice. Really weird, but boat rides are always fun, especially the real low budget ones. I just did Skyrocket, which is great. It's butter smooth, good punchy launch, and some decent airtime. It's fun, kind of filler coaster, nothing like super crazy, but yeah. We're about to get on the Kangaroo actually. I've obviously never done something like this before. It's a pretty classic attraction though. All right, we're about to hop on the Kangaroo. You ready?
Hop, hop.
Have you done this one before?
No.
Oh, really? Jeez. What'd you think of your first Kangaroo experience?
So fun.
Yeah, that was cool.
Cute.
That was a fun little flat ride. I'm glad they brought that back. I think fans revolted when they got rid of it, so good on Kennywood for bringing back a classic. All right, I realized I need a partner. I tapped Olivia in. Thank you so much. What a time. God, that is a great wooden coaster. So much fun. Just the buzz bars. Real smooth. Oh, wow, look at that one. My hand in front of my face. What'd you think of the Thunderbolt?
So much a classic.
Yeah. It's good, it's smooth. I mean, granted, we were in the front row, but it's a wheel seat. It was awesome though. Some good air time. It's cool how it builds and builds, drops right out of the station. Biggest drop is the last two of the ride. Not many coasters are like that. Moving right along, we're getting on the Phantom's Revenge. This is my favorite coaster here. All right, ooh, it's loud. I just got off the Phantom's Revenge. Ride is nuts. I don't know if it's me getting old or just the end of a long trip here, but I don't know if I can handle it anymore. I was in the second row and the airtime was just kind of slammed back down and hurt my back. I sound like such a softie right now, but it's still a great coaster. Awesome what they've done to convert it. You know, that was a long time ago, of course, but it's a fun ride. It's a little short, but also cool how the biggest drop is not the first drop. Very unique as well. Just so many coasters with character around here. Sadly, not doing potato patch fries this time. It was really good. We did the last visit again. I'll link that video down below so you guys can check out our last experience. It's crazy to see it empty. I think we waited like 30 or 45 minutes for fries last time, but this is a Kennywood staple. Kind of sad we're not doing it, but just had too much this trip already. I think this is a new spot, Cheaters Pub. A lot of good draft options. I'm gonna try their Jackrabbit Wheat. It's a cool spot. Yeah, it's pretty wheaty. It's like a Hefeweizen actually, but it's tasty. Heading downtown later, top heads back. We're in line for the Ghostwood Estate. Have you ever done this? Nice. I had no idea there's a pre-show here. What in the Disney? It's kind of cool. Alright, did not see this coming.
Please gather round so everyone can hear.
Well,
Welcome guests to Ghostwood Estate.
This is a trackless dark ride somehow, and it does have guns. It is a shooting game. All right, I got smoked. Like, wasn't even close. Landslide victory. That was a fun ride though. It was a lot more animatronic action than the old mill, that's for sure. It was cool.
But I feel like the like pointers were accurate.
Yeah.
Like where you were shooting them.
Targets worked well. That was fun.
Very interactive.
And the pre-show came out of nowhere too. That was good.
My favorite.
Yeah. Ending our day on a classic walk-through attraction here. Noah's Ark. So good. So weird, but so good. And in the whale's mouth. Ah! All right. Thank God we got dogs and frogs. Oh man. I think it's arcing, yeah. Crazy. What a nice night. Gosh, we picked a great day. Here we go. Holy crap. So wild. Oh. Okay, that is terrifying. Oh. It's the tiger. Ah! Oh my gosh. So crazy. There's a staircase moving. That's so wild. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, that was crazy. You don't see these in parks anymore. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh boy. About to fall over. Of course, we're going the wild way. Roommate calls vertigo. Oh, great. Perfect. Oh, it's sideways. It's sideways. Crazy. Probably can't tell on video, but we are slanted completely sideways. Whoa! That was cool. Hey, this is the one that freaks me out. Oh, it's actually not too bad right now. Alright. I think it helps with the cages. So cool. That's
Classic.
yeah, no kidding. Kennywood legend. They better keep that around forever. You don't see fun houses at amusement parks anymore these days, or like actual theme parks. And this one is great. All right, Cowboy Joe, we're out of here. You're a legend, brother. See you next time. Good night, Kennywood. We're out of here.
We love you.
Yeah. We'll be back sometime. Maybe with some little ones, hopefully. All right, we're heading out of here. Excellent, excellent couple hours at Kennywood.
Yeah,
We got here at
done.
4. Yeah, 4 hours basically. It was fantastic. Pretty much walk on for everything, except for the shooting dark ride for whatever reason.
Still currently rated like 20, 30 minutes.
Yes, on one
but-
train. Such a fun park.
Yeah.
Tell Olivia I'm very jealous that she grew up with such a like a local. I don't know. They
It's
definitely
a great spot to come to growing up. for
lean
sure.
into their history.
Yeah.
It's founded in what did it say? Late 1800s,
Yep.
early 1900s, whatever. This has been around for forever, but it's super cool. I know it's probably changed a whole lot since she was a kid and just over the years, but they've made some great additions. And for $35 for the afternoon,
Yeah.
couldn't really beat it. So would certainly recommend Kennywood. Let us know if you've been to this park before, what you think about it. You know, a little bit off the beaten path here in Pittsburgh, but it's a good time. We'll see you in the next one. I guess you've seen the Cedar Point video at this point. We've got Halloween Horror Nights and an Orlando trip
excited,
coming
so
up soon. So we'll see you very shortly. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next one.
Bye.